What's up, SDA Family? It's your girl, Shawnee DITL, your favorite mommy vloggy, and I'm back again for another vlog. This morning, I'm getting ready to cook breakfast. We're gonna eat probably some egg, sausage, and I think some biscuits. Make this house a home. So I finished my breakfast. It is a few hours later. I am sitting here editing a video. It will probably be this video or the video right before. Alright y'all, I'm back. This is what we're looking at. This table. You don't need that, but this table needs to be cleared, and I'm going to make it homey. So let me get into that.
Get that come on me. I don't have no parts of this thing or these things.
Why you close this? It's early. Why you close the blinds?
They want to say.
Yeah, I wanted to say a beautiful day. Why you trying to close the blinds?
Ooh, baby.
Hours later.
So now I'm cleaning my dining room table. Let me tell you, it was full of stuff. I meant to get that part before I cleaned it off, but for the most part I got everything off of it. I just need to kind of organize in here. My lights in here for recording, they don't need to be in here, but I'm gonna try to organize in here, make it look a little bit better, and find some kind of centerpiece or something to put in the middle of this. Wipe the table off. I want y'all to see how I make my house a home. Finish the actual table. I'm gonna move that chair and stuff in a minute, and I might find some better pieces, but this is just what I had on hand that kind of works, and it always helps to get stuff that you already have out of the way and somewhere, and then if I want something better I can put it there. But it kind of works with the wall picture for now. That'll work. I'm actually I haven't mentioned it yet, but this coming weekend we're gonna have a yard sale, so I'm actually getting rid of a lot of things because I want to, you know, not have so much clutter and stuff that you don't use for years and it's just sitting there and you know you're probably not gonna use it again. And yeah, this is my first time I think doing a yard sale, definitely at my own home. I can't remember if we did one as a kid or not, but definitely at my own home.
A few moments later.
Leah, what you doing? No, no, girl. Elijah. No, no, don't do that. Hey, Bucky. You got the bears. You got Mr. Pepper. Say hi, Ellie. Say hi, Ellie. Hi, Ellie. Hi. 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 Time go night-night, Kate. Time go night-night. Give Mr. Bear Bear a hug. Baby. Turn that out. Night-night. Give Mr. Bear Bear a hug. Mr. Bear Bear. Ellie. Ellie. I love you. Say night-night. Night-night. So we are doing our night routine. The baby is asleep. Both my girls are asleep. Ellie is asleep as well. They're both laying down. They took a bath, but I'm still working on how to show y'all because I'm kind of sensitive about my girls. Like, you gotta be careful with showing them, and then you can't really show just their top because I haven't decided if I'm comfortable with showing girls tops even though they're babies. So both of them are laying down. I might show you. Well, I think I did show you a clip of my baby girl Ellie laying down, and then the baby, she's finally laying down as well. I am in the kitchen. I'm about to make spaghetti. Got noodles in there. My husband is in his room. Okay. I probably shouldn't show you to avoid the salt. I miss Daddy though.
Say hi.
Say hi. Say I'm all dressed for bed. Say night night.
Night night.
Go tell Daddy night night.
Night night.
Like a little after 9 o'clock at night, so I'm getting ready to go to bed, get some good sleep. Everybody's asleep but me, so it's time for me to get some sleep. I just want to check in with you all and let y'all know. What's good, SDA family? It's your girl SHAUNIE DITL, your favorite mommy vloggy, and I am back again with another video. I have some visitors. I am doing a yard sale, and I still got people driving up, so I'm gonna come right back. What's good, SDA family? It's your girl SHAUNIE D, and I have just cleared up everything for the yard sale. I didn't want to show too much because you know it's a lot of people coming in and out, but I would say it was a pretty good turnout. And most of all, y'all, I had a lot of fun. So I don't know, you know, just trying new things, and I just decided to try this and I really enjoyed it. So it wasn't for me necessarily about the money. Even from the beginning, for me it was about getting rid of stuff that's just taking up space in that house that I don't need, that we're no longer using. And for somebody else, that could be exactly what they needed. So I did pretty good. I made $160 off of stuff that was sitting in our house collecting dust that someone else can greatly use and enjoy, and I had fun doing it. So that's what's most important. So if you haven't tried it, I say try it, especially if you got a bunch of stuff. You'd be surprised the stuff that people like. If you got a bunch of stuff that you're not using, somebody else could very well use and may even need. So you might not want to just throw it away. Don't just throw it away. At least get rid of it, give it to a Goodwill or something, and you might even just wait and have your sale and sell it. Somebody might be glad to get it. So anyways, I am really hungry though because I didn't eat breakfast. My mom didn't get me breakfast. I asked her to. She stopped by the house. Just gonna throw that in there. I still love you, Mom, just in case you see this. But anyway, so I ate a Nutri-Grain bar while I was sitting outside. It started out to be cool and then it warmed up, and now I'm trying to see if I want to go get lunch or if I'm just gonna find something and make in the house. Now at the point I'm just ready to rest. Y'all, I'm back. I am at the car wash. Y'all see? In the afternoon. I'm so hungry. So I'm at Sonic. After I finish here, I might swing by and put some air in the tires, and then after that I should be good and ready to go home. Now this is guy standing in front of me. Can y'all see? I wonder if I'm recording. And it looks like he's talking to himself. I don't know who he's talking to, y'all. I have no idea who he's talking to. Is it wrong if I show him? He's sitting over here smoking. Don't you hate when you be getting ready to get you something to eat and you see the people with the uniform on that's making your food and they out there, they be smoking or got their apron on, sitting outside taking their lunch or something? You be like, ain't that kind of gross? What does this dude? He out here rapping to himself, y'all. He is out here rapping, talking to him. Let me show y'all real quick. You see he moving his hand. He out here rapping, talking to himself. Y'all, let me go. Let me go so I don't get caught up in no stuff. Let me get out of here. I'll see y'all in a little bit. Y'all, I just got my Sonic and it smells divine. Yes. Can y'all see where I'm at? Let's see. I'm leaving Firestone. I just got air in my tire. Y'all, for the first time I had a young lady put it in there. I felt bad when a girl did it because it was like, man, you know, you probably could have did that yourself. If she can do it, you probably could have did just. Y'all see it? No. There you go. Y'all see where I'm at? I'm at Firestone. So I just got some air in my tires. Y'all, while I was getting air in my tires, there was a guy trying to hit on me. My husband gonna be like, what? But he ain't gonna watch my video anyway. He's supportive, but he ain't gonna watch my video anyway. But yeah, he was trying to hit on me. At first he just smiled. You know how people just smile, you know, casually, like, oh, you know, being polite. You see somebody, if y'all make eye contact, it's decency to smile back. And then the girl came over and she looked like, it wasn't like a dyke girl or like a regular, it was a young white girl. She looked a little quirky, real smart, looked like she sounded like she read a lot based on how she was talking. I'm not just saying that how she looked. But she did, you know, she put the air in the tire. She did a good job. And then she was like, oh, okay, so is this guy bothering you? And she was like, I'll let y'all talk. And I was like, no, you know, I'm getting ready to go. You know, and he was like, so what you about to get into? And he just started asking different stuff. And I, you know, just general being polite, because he hadn't really said anything at that time showing that he was like interested in me. He was just being nice. And he was like, oh, okay. And then that's when he was like, oh, so, you know, can I get your number, like get to know you better, da 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 da. And I was like, no. And I was like, no, I can't really do it. He's like, oh, you already got an old man or whatever. And I was like, yes, you know, I'm married, I'm in a relationship. I ain't go through my whole spiel about me being married with 3 kids and the 3 da da da. That's my business. And he was like, oh, okay, it was nice to meet you and all this stuff. And I was like, okay, thank you. And then I left. But I was like, you know, when I, just for reference, like if y'all didn't know, which I probably didn't know because y'all all knew, but your girl has been pregnant like since 2019. So it's been a while since somebody tried to hit on me, and then I already know I need to lose weight, I need to work out, I need to do some things. So of course I'm happily married, but it does give a woman, you know, that little like, oh, you know, I'm still out here approachable. You feel me? I still look good. I can still pull somebody else that looks good and young, you know, around my age, because he was a nice looking guy. He was in shape and all that stuff like that, you know. But your girl already married. Your girl already doing these things. And me just talking about it makes me not even want to put it in the video. But all that to say is, you know, a lot of women, y'all understand, it just makes you feel good, especially if you haven't been approached or, you know, hit on. And I remember getting hit on all the time whenever I used to go out, with or without makeup. A lot of times without, because I didn't wear a lot of makeup. I'm still not wearing a lot of makeup. It was nothing. But as you get older, especially as you have kids, it's not even necessarily the age, it's as you have kids, because your body's constantly changing. Anyways, what, you got something you want to say? Close my drawer. Ellen.
Hi.
You say hi.
Cheers.
Yeah. Say hi. You want to see yourself? You say hi.
Hi.
With my baby Ellie. Got my Sonic burger.
Hey. Hey.
You want to say hey again?
Hey. Cheese. Cheese.
Hmm?
Cheese.
Come here. Come here.
Baby. Baby.
See what she did. Her hair was cute. Turn around. Let them see your hair. You turn around.
Hey.
Hey.
Oh, oh,
Mommy had a burger.
oh.
Y'all see it? The cheese is it.
Cookie.
And I got some
Cookie.
mozzarella sticks. I know. And this secret. Anyways, this is some signature sauce from Sonic. Some marinara sauce. You wanna get done? Mommy's gonna eat that. So, hey. Where you going? Stand up. Come on here. Eliana.